techniques we want to do with the powder first. The first techniques we did, we use the glitter first, and then we're doing the powder. So in the first one, I'm gonna get it's like a small to medium bead, and we are tucking in the cuticle area first and guide it. You can see that I'm using the belly because it's spatula with glitz acrylic brush. We don't crimp it, so then we'll give it the funs. Actually is the shape and the funs pressures, so then you can able to blend it for yours ombre techniques. So pick a second, and don't underestimate the smaller beads, because you can always add more powder on if you needed it, but you don't want to using it too much and too thick over. You want to make it looks nice and ombre. All right, so then now I'm gonna go ahead and using, if you don't want autumn bling, you can absolutely add like the little leaves in here. I love that also, but I'm gonna add just a little bit autumn bling and see what's gonna give me what's gonna happen, because I think I'm gonna love it so much. It is perfect blending in for the fall nails. How's everyone doing? I'm so excited to see everyone today. As we said, we're gonna do the liquid and powder, and I can't wait to show you the autumn bling. Well, I think this one is online. We have it also. It's come in your subscription box, so congratulations if you get your box already. Can't wait to see your beautiful creation and enjoy, have fun, and good luck if you are getting your e-gift cards. All right, I'm gonna add a little leaf. Extra. You don't want to? Absolutely, you don't have to. I just really excited to see I can do this one on. Okay. With the autumn bling is gonna be perfect. That is set. Thank you so much. Oh, who said so cute? Folks, what do I say right? Folks. For nails. Hold on, I couldn't see it from far away. Just don't kill me. I like folks or nails. Okay, I can't see it. Hughes might have to help me. So now again, it gets set. It's really cool and it's staying on, and I'm go ahead and using crystal clear. It's really like clear. I'm gonna put this right here, okay? One beads right here for you to see how awesome the crystal clear is, because after a while it's not going to turn yellow at all. Now, so I'm gonna get a big beads because I am going to cap just on the areas of the ombre. However, for a lot of us who is beginner nail tech, you afraid of you might be over like really heavy handed and might over filing them, like over file, or you know, taking off a lot in the cuticle area. You can definitely cap it on the cuticle area, so then you can able to prevent from getting like over filing on the cuticle area. Just a thin coat right in the cuticle area is will not hurt. So then that way you can able to file and shape with the confidence without worry about is coming off. All right, so you see that I always guide it and tape it right in the center of the nails. And if you need to cap more, make sure wipe your brush really clean before you are going to submerging your bristle back into the monomer and pick up more powder. All right, I'm happy with this. We're going to let it set for